This is a HP Probook laptop motherboard, and this laptop motherboard problem is power is not turning on. Today I'll fix this. Here is a dust. Just open the cooling fan. Okay. And fan. And you can see this here is one hole, and here is something is burning. Here is something burning. Okay. Let's clean this, and after that check it what happened. And this is the issue, and this capacitor also. Here is one capacitor, and this capacitor also burn. Let's check it, here is another problem or not. Okay. Let's open it. And I think so this due to the capacitor shorted, and that's why the MOSFET has gone burn. Okay, this is the issue. Let's open it. Let's open this MOSFET, and after that check it what is the number. After cleaning this, and here is some short circuit, and you can see this one is short, showing this line, and due to it would be the MOSFET also short, and this MOSFET also showing short. Okay, let's open this circuit, short circuit. Still here is a short circuit. Okay, and to find out the actual fault. Okay, after cleaning this circuit, and here is a no short circuit now. Okay, let's check it. No short. This one is short. Here is no short circuit, and here is no short circuit, and here is also no short circuit. Okay, you can see here is no short circuit, and this MOSFET charge this battery, and without this MOSFET, and this circuit will be work. And let's check it. After cleaning this circuit, let's check this, here is any short circuit or not. And this one is ground, and here is short circuit, but here is no short, and here is also no short circuit. Okay, and check it, here is also no short circuit. Okay, let's power up this and what happened. And you can see here is the LED is clone, and this is the power switch. Yep, power is turned on. Okay, our circuit is working, and let's see cooling fan is moving or not. Let's see, cooling fan is and cooling fan also rotating. Okay, you can see this. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Turn off this, let us turn off, and again turn on, turn on. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.